with the nature, and it's all about exploring the spiritual heart in Bhutan. Welcome to Cage's World. Right now I'm here at Phajoding Base. The weather condition seems a little bit of foggy and mist, and I could feel some rain as well. And yeah, that's gonna be another adventure. Let's go, guys. Just got here at the diversion to take this way. It will lead to Pumo La, and we're heading towards the Phajoding. We're maintaining our pace. You see the bird over there? This bird has been following me all the way from the base. It's been hiking for almost 2 hours now. We're almost near to Phajoding Monastery. We're just taking slight snacks right over here. Take nothing, lift nothing. After hiking for 2.5 hours, we arrived at the Phajoding Monastery. You can see the condition of the weather. It's very foggy. We're gonna divert our way towards Pumo La. The elevation, we have gained around 800 meters. We are right here at 3,590, and we have made it to Phajoding Monastery, one of the sacred monastery from 13th century. There are some monks residing over here, and then more of meditation center. Phajoding Monastery. Let's go and visit the temple. This monastery houses around 70 monks. This place was blessed in 13th century by Phajoding Monastery. He is a Tibetan Lama who spread Drupakaju Buddhism in Bhutan. The structures that you see right now built around 17th and 18th century. From here we can see the clear view of Thimphu city. The view is very majestic from here. And the hiking towards Phajoding for 2.5 hours is totally worthy. But this morning the weather was not really favorable. It was drizzling, it was foggy, and then it was somewhat challenging for us. But then the weather is getting clear, and you can have a good view of Thimphu city. I'm here at Pumo La Pass. Right now I'm just right here in front of the Pumo La Pass, the temple, the one that you see behind me. It's a 15th century temple. If you have leisure time hiking at this kind of places, adventure at the same time, there is a good spiritual connection. The interesting fact about hiking on the mountain, when you reach at the destination, the view is very, very mesmerizing, I would say. Now we will be hiking back to the parking lot. Let's go back. Let's go back.
Study. Tuji dress.
Tuji is in English than language.
Tuji. Tuji is watching Tuji. Tujinan blessing. Graduate.
Tajmo. Tuji dasam. Tuji jalo da. Jasam is jade. Tuji la me.
Dradi.
Tuji is compassion.
Tuji dra. Tu.
Children's power Tuji chumbo Islam yume. Bodhisattva of compassion 되는 거고.
쟤는 지점지 Tuji 치비 개 보고 있어.
빨리 tet라 태주님이. Finally, we have completed all the way towards Phajoding, and from Phajoding to Pumo La and back to the base right here. And today's hike, it's about harmony with the nature, and it's all about exploring the spiritual heart in Bhutan. From monks in the monastery of Phajoding to the lunch point at Pumo La. We were expecting heavy rainfall this morning. It was raining, but then stopped. Weather was on our side, and it was a good hike. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is KJ's World signing off. I'm very tired. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.